HMH Interactive Teacher Edition has some good guided examples to use for problem solving with your class. This is how the beginning of the lesson looks. You can arrow through it, or you can use the menu at the top to go straight to the problem solving. The Your Turn examples, there are 3 of them, have some examples that you can work with your class. Let's try the first one. Your turn. So here's the problem. You'll want to display this large enough for your class to see. If your students are ready to approach a problem without any additional structure, then you can go ahead and allow them to answer it. They would want to work this out on their own paper, unless they're following along in the Interactive Student Edition. If this is too advanced, you could give them an example to look at, and then they could try another one. Or if you want to scaffold it a little bit more, go ahead and go to the step-by-step option, and HMH will guide them through solving the problem one step at a time. They have the option of going on to the next question as well. So each of these Your Turn items actually has several different problems that you could look at together as a class, with the students either following along in their interactive editions or writing on a piece of notebook paper. Here's another Your Turn. It has all of the same options for us. So we can look at an example, we can look at the step-by-step, and if you want to know what the standard is, that's there for you as well. Some more guided problem solving can be found under the Evaluate option. So when you go to Evaluate, click on Look Back. It'll give you a performance task. Where would you use this in real life? We can also look at the Evaluate itself. And here we have a number of problems that you can solve. Again, if you want, you can give your students some of the steps to guide them along the way, or you could have them solve it with just the basic question. If the students are using the Interactive Student Edition, they'll have to complete one step to go on to the next, but since you're the teacher, you can click through it